I mean, I'd say the only thing this guy lost is his pride, really. And maybe a lot of plexiglass. Where did this next driver get their license? A friggin' Cracker Jack box? Good grief. We just thought this next guy needed another few seconds in the spotlight. Evel Knievel, everyone. Hey, don't touch that mouse. Unless it's to like and subscribe to our channel. Be sure to let us know your favorite clip in the comments. Yeah, next time, buddy, you may want to give people a little warning, and not just your four-ways, when you're stopped in the middle of a friggin' freeway. Just a suggestion. Everyone remember this driver? Give them a round of applause! They still suck! Oh, look at the doggy. What a cute doggy. Hey, what's he doing? Oh, crap car! Well, he's gonna get somewhere fast, all right. All right, watch what happens next. These drivers are crazy! Don't go away. This one is nuts. Oh, for the second time, no! You can't beat the train! Okay, I really need to know where these people are getting their license. Oh, wait, this guy didn't have one. And he was drunk. Okay, I understand. Hey, I think this guy's related to the next guy. Idiot on episode 3. You know her, you love her, yep, this chick. Just wait until you see Best of Road Rage. That's coming up next week.